Hello, I wanted to show you how to quickly subsurf your way into Tintin. Select the default cube, that's fine. You may want to scale it down, but you can always do that later. Go into edit mode, for example, by pressing the tab key. Select the top face, extrude up just a little, and then scale it down to about 60%. The same for the bottom face, extrude in the Z direction, scale it down. Let's say this is the front. We move the selected face to the rear, that way you create the chin. This is the top of the head. We are going to make the quiff hair. Extrude once more in the Z direction, scale it down, move it to the front. Extrude the top face to the Z direction and do that again. Look at the model from the side in wireframe mode. Select the middle face of the quiff by selecting the 4 vertices and move it a bit to the front. Switch to object mode. Now we can add a subsurf modifier. Keep it at Catmull Clark and set the levels to about 3. You can shade smooth. So this is roughly it, except a little too tall. What you do is select the original cube, press S for scale, then Shift plus Z for everywhere except the Z direction, and then move your mouse to scale out. This is to taste, so if you like your Tintin differently. Add a bit of a neck by extruding the bottom face down. Now select the front face, press I to create an inset. In my case the inset is too wide, so I scale it down in the X direction, making the new face squarish. Extrude the selected face in the Y direction. Now we have a very pointy nose, which maybe you like. But we can fix that if you want, so let's do that. Select the rear face of the nose, then press Shift-E to create a crease. Drag to taste. I go for a value of about 0.5. This looks a bit dirty, even though we used Shade Smooth. Go into the Vertex tab and open Normals. Tick Auto Smooth. And now it looks dirty in a different way. There is your basic subsurf Tintin, and now you can add eyes, a mouth, expressions, ears, and so on. Good luck and goodbye.